What's up, everybody? Today we are talking best beginner motorcycles. So if you are a new motorcyclist, this is your what to buy guide. So you're new here and looking for a motorcycle. Number one, engine size. Most people are going to tell you look for a motorcycle under 300 cc's of power. I'm going to say under 500 because you also want to practice getting on the highway and getting up to pace. This also depends on the type of motorcycle, because if you're looking for a sport bike, the Yamaha R3 is a 300 and it would be faster than, say, a 500 cruiser in most cases. You do not need a big motorcycle to go fast, and you certainly don't need a big motorcycle to get you comfortable in the sport. Point number two, price. And most entry level, I say entry level in quotes because these are perfectly good motorcycles for any motorcyclist. I actually own some and take them racing. You don't need a big bike to go fast, but traditionally these have a decent price point on them for your initial investment. Typically can be between $4,000 and $6,000 brand new. Or you could take to the internet, be it OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and find a used motorcycle, and you can find some screaming deals on these. Just be careful of how much maintenance maybe needs to be done, how old they are, and how easy it is to find parts. Point number three, ergonomics of the motorcycle. So think about how you sit on that motorcycle and how it feels while you're riding it. If you're looking for something sportier, you might be looking at the Yamaha R3 or Kawasaki Ninja 400. If you're hoping to enjoy longer rides and something that might be a little bit more approachable as you sit a bit more upright and in the motorcycle, could be something more like a cruiser. The Honda Rebel has always had a place in this market. So a lot of good entry-level motorcycles traditionally have a lower seat height, even if you're tall, so that you feel comfortable piloting this in all situations. And having a lighter motorcycle, again, usually with a smaller engine, will make it a lot easier as well. So keep these in mind as you're searching for a motorcycle. Point number four, and kind of going away from the motorcycle itself, but into things that you need to do to get yourself ready to take this beast out on the road. Take your motorcycle safety course, make sure that you learn and keep learning throughout your career as a rider. Also, invest in good gear. How much is your head really worth? And have motorcycle insurance and the correct insurance. Something that I've learned working with Lot Tigers is a lot of people leave off that uninsured, underinsured motorist. That's the only way that you can actually get yourself, your motorcycle, and even your gear covered if someone hits you and does not have the proper insurance. So make sure that you've got the right insurance. Lot Tigers are not insurance adjusters, although frankly they have to know that side of the game as well. They are America's motorcycle lawyers, and give them a call before your insurance if you're ever injured in a motorcycle accident. So I hope that you've taken the motorcycle course, you've invested in some good safety gear, and you've got the right insurance to help protect you and your new motorcycle. I hope that you found this helpful. There are some links in the description. My name is Alyssa, and I will see you in the next one.